Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Today we're going to be talking about the price of XRP. Hoven hopes you're having a good one. I can't be the only one who's noticed this, can I? I must be addicted if I can't stop looking at the XRP price. Even if Bitcoin has been falling, XRP has remained stable, and, to be completely honest, it has been pumping for the previous 24 hours today. This shouldn't come as much of a surprise to you guys. To what extent have we disconnected, if at all? We have a couple of slightly people here as guests, and as you can see, we're pumping this XRP/Bitcoin exchange rate. It seems like XRP has been going higher, yet the Bitcoin chart shows it going down. As you can see for yourselves, this person is literally right when he claims that Bitcoin has been going down while XRP has been either ranging or slightly boosting up, so this is pretty good to say the least. As a result, many individuals are investing in XRP now. Why? Simply put, we guys are aware of what is ahead. It's very bullish and we know what's coming up now so guys, not only that the cryptosphere is bullish as of right now, but BC backers we sell today right and talks about what the stock is doing now so guys, not only that the cryptosphere is bullish as of right now, but BC backers we sell today right and talks about what the stock is doing now so guys, not only that the BC backers we sell today right and talks about what the stock is doing now so guys, right as guests. And see what happened, so he put the fib on top of the chart guys, right on top of the Dow Jones, and you guys can see the clinical resistance levels within this chart. What happened with the Dow Jones guys, well, that have surpassed this 702 line, because usually if I remember correctly guys, this is the part where assets usually reverse right if it doesn't break through, and look, what happened with the Dow Jones, it just broke through guys. The crypto markets are extremely optimistic about Bitcoin's future, as you can see from my thread, but before we go on, let's quickly review the Dow Jones. Amazing, that really is something to see. That's enormous. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is a reflection of the broader stock market. If the stock market continues to rise, for example, we can literally pump it ever stop, as the saying goes. If you're a trader or investor, this is the point at which you should really appreciate this video. Okay, quote, Ripple may not sell XRP directly to financial institutions in the United States via written agreements without violating securities laws legislation or requesting for a waiver from the SEC, and quote, now is the time for maximum pumping pressure, as the action is about to become extremely intense. Guys, listen up with XRP because of this very important statement. Bullish, you don't see? Wow, I'm literally so excited guys. This means that any US-based institution will have to buy XRP on an exchange in order to use it for on-demand liquidity. My face is absolutely melting as we speak and I can't even believe it. Right. To notify the SEC of a certain transaction involving debris is a simple administrative requirement. Surely not, right guys? Because if they buy on the open market, say on an exchange, the price of XRP will likely increase in a similar manner once more, right? Then, just keep on pounding until later. This green candle right there, the one that exploded upwards so sharply, will happen again. Therefore, if these institutions and large enterprises are being supplied by XRP on the open market, and keeping in mind the thin order book and the dollars, this must be the case, right? Not a lot of XRP is floating around out there. I can't say for sure, but I think a lot of individuals are keeping their XRP until the price reaches a new all-time high. Due to the narrow nature of the market and order book across all exchanges, a very small influx of capital, say $10 million, is sufficient to drive up the price of this extra piece. Right? The purchase of a market. Let's listen carefully. They seem to have been waiting for this opportunity, therefore this must be the game plan. Either activated due to the influence of Lord V, XRP over-the-counter sales of investment contracts are illegal in the United States, which prevents venture capital firms and other institutional investors from purchasing XRP directly from Ripple. However, XRP is not considered a security in the United States and can be purchased legally on the open market. In the future, institutional investors will exert substantial buying pressure on the open market, but they will never do so at the market's peak. Later in 2024, Max is right, XRP will experience the same triple-digit growth as in 2017. Since the mechanism through which big institutions are likely to acquire on the open market is already fixed, many individuals are pushing for XRP values in the 3 digits immediately. 100 hours before the inevitable collapse, I hope. Regardless of the outcome, I expect to do some selling along the way, but I'll keep some XRP in reserve for when the price spikes. Right now, every month, Ripple sells between 2 and 300 million XRP. Now, picture that amount being purchased by institutions each and every month. The top of the historic trend for 2018 is probably around $1.50, and from there I expect a beautiful dump higher low or a sharp lower low before the huge urge to the moon, so I think we're going to see that sometime soon, guys. The cupboard is bare. Guys, a little patience is all it'll take, and we'll be set for life. If the fractal from the previous 2017 bull run is repeated, that indicates hundreds of dollars in incoming, guys, thus the catalyst is set and we may expect some very bullish tweets. If this happens, the public XRP supply will be snatched up by the banks as soon as they are ready, effectively ending the game. Considering that banks are also about to go live, we can see that a decision is being made and that banks will likely buy on the open market. Keep in mind that all it takes is for one bank to shatter the order books for XRP to skyrocket to $50 or $100. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen, folks, but then we see what XRP Captain has to say about it. Something doesn't add up here. We waited 4 years, and now that the litigation is over, XRP is trading at 95 cents. XRP, there's trouble afoot if Ripple didn't battle the SEC for a mere 95 cents, right? Isn't there actually some action taking place off stage? To paraphrase this guy's green candle, what do we think, guys? Remember, the only retail we the people will not make XRP have this skyrocket moment, right? Literally $10, $20, $30, $50, right? The only way we could have an overnight Phillips is if institutions and banks bought the supply on the open market. What a bizarre occurrence. We pump, we consolidate, and we pump again, right, as patterns, so this is not an unexpected price movement or behavior by XRP. Take a gander at what our shred came up with, a fractal, right? He's been pacing the fractal from the past to the present, and if it holds true for XRP, we'll see a decline to 52 cents, a rise to $4.30, a drop to $1.60, a rise to $7.40, a drop to $6, and a pump to $18. The pattern has been accurate so far. If I'm not mistaken, he simply copied and pasted the chart or fractal from the prior bull run onto a thermostat, and now we can see a stupid 252 cents, right? Let's see if it continues with XRP. Since a lot of people are anticipating the dump to the right, it's generally the other way around, but I have a suggestion from the previous fractal that might work out. However, after the current range of consolidations are complete, there will be a surge to the tune of $1.60, and then even higher, to $4.32. There was a meteoric increase from the previous high of $1 to the subsequent low of $1.60. Guys, a lot of people will be out of XRP when this happens, right? Or if this dump occurs at that time? So that you can ask, what the heck happened? Why did this occur? Why did this occur? Right? Therefore, it is not a problem to swap a little bag of Erics of your spare P at specific price levels. I don't see why it would be a problem. Once more, that has the makings of a play, and I just might write one. Rate 5%. We don't know what the future holds, so we'll just have to wait and see. Yes, in terms of swing trading. In contrast to the stability of the dollar, XRP is quite active and has a high degree of volatility, including the possibility of a dump. To be clear, I'm not claiming I'm not going to claim that the federal government does this on purpose, but it seems to be repeating itself. Afterwards, after that 160-foot drop, we observe a pump that goes up to $18 when we put in our 60 cents. Yes, fellas? And that might be the end of the XRP bull run. I'm not claiming that's necessarily true, but the fractal suggests it could be. Honestly, $18 maximum isn't that horrible, is it? The entire cryptocurrency market subsequently crashes. After that, we're the markets as a whole, and once the new financial system is up and running, things only improve. Measures of total market cap and XRP. Finally, from BC's perspective, the market has been overpriced in relation to XRP for a long time, but with the ABC retrace complete, the tables are turning and the market is getting repriced, which is bullish for XRP. The race to the bottom is on, and there are many positive developments occurring for XRP right now. Finally, gentlemen, things are looking very good for XRP and generally right, so let's brace ourselves for the pump and never-ending moments when Bunny took my stop and each myself in a choice, but it was incredible to see you. And please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.